Well, the obvious one is trying grain control of the prices of all the agricultural commodities that are going up. At tinatamaan tayo ng, yun na nga, yun na pag-usapan ko, climate change, alam nyo na lahat yung swine flu, alam nyo na lahat yung avian flu na tumatama sa atin. Kaya yan, ang una natin in the immediate term, hindi lang short term, kundi in the immediate term, kailangan natin makakontrol at tignan kung paano natin gagawin. At the same time, kasabay nito is the longer term, yung production at saka cost of production, mechanization, lahat ng mga bagay na yan. At we will tinitignan natin ang mga ginagawa ng ating mga karatig bansa, such as Thailand, such as Indonesia, such as Vietnam. At baka meron tayong matutunan sa kanila na pwede nating na bagay dito sa Pilipinas.